Hello, I'm Wolf from Kalenius and I'm Product Manager at Karcher. Today I want to present you one of the smallest and most lightweight scrubber dryers, the BR34. With this machine, hard surfaces in small and congested areas can be cleaned deeply and very easily. The machine is designed in a similar way to an upright vacuum cleaner, with one roller brush and two squeegees either side of it. The weight of 12 kilograms or 25 pounds makes it easy to transport and handle the machine. It cleans and dries both forwards and backwards. So the use is as simple as an upright vacuum. The roller brush goes deep into grooves and rough surfaces like on safety tiles. Different brush types are available, like an orange high-low brush for very deep grooves, a microfiber to clean fine stone tiles very efficiently, or a blue brush for carpets. For the cleaning, only fresh water is used. This allows a cleaning result which is much better compared to manual cleaning. The two 4-liter tanks, dirty water and fresh water, can be removed in 1 second. So you have one hand free to open doors. The freshwater tank is very flat and slim to fit under every tap. For a deep cleaning in a two-step method, the squeegee can be lifted up and down. First scrubbing, then scrubbing and vacuuming. The handle can be laid completely flat to get deep under objects. The color coding simplifies the operation. Yellow for operator controls. With this compact and lightweight BR34, small areas can now be cleaned mechanically, very efficiently and deeply.